To begin, go to youtube.com. Next step, copy any video URL that you find. Then paste this URL into this box. Step 3, go to google.com and search for the Hidden Treasure site. To start making $50, $80, or even $330 every day, just for the purpose of copying and pasting a single link. So stick with me until the end, because in this money-making online video, I'm going to show you how to earn hundreds of dollars per day via an incredibly easy Google hack. Envision all the wonderful things you could do with your wealth. You may pay off your bills, buy a great automobile, or simply treat your lover to a wonderful meal at your favorite 5-star restaurant. I am confident that this strategy is guaranteed to be unique. It's completely free to use, it's possible to access it from anywhere on the planet, and most importantly, it needs neither skills nor experience in any way. Furthermore, you may begin earning money with it right now from the comfort of your own home, simply by utilizing your smartphone. If all of that sounds fascinating to you, make sure you watch all the way to the end of this video and don't skip a single step of this instruction, because if you don't, you might not get the results you wish. But before we dive into the tutorial, welcome to Online Cash Flow, where we teach you how to make money online fast and easy. Make sure to smash the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you'll always be updated whenever I post new content on how to make money online. Please like this video and leave a comment down below if you have any questions and any suggestions. Okay, in this how to earn money online tutorial, I'd want to show you a website called shrinkme.io. To visit that website, simply go to Google and put ShrinkMe into the search field. ShrinkMe.io is essentially a link shortener similar to bit.ly or tinyurl.com. Apart from being absolutely free, the fact that this link shortening service really compensates you for sharing URLs you shorten on that website is one of the reasons why I admire it so much. Hence, if you take a link, for example, from a popular YouTube video and shorten it with shrinkme.io and then post the shortened link somewhere else online, you will be paid real money each time someone clicks on it. It's quite easy, and one of the most appealing aspects is that there are no hidden charges or the need to set up sophisticated affiliate marketing. I'll teach you step by step how to mimic the procedure with only a few clicks, and how you can generate even more money with it in just a few minutes by applying a simple Google technique. But before we do that, allow me to verify that this strategy is really effective. If you go to the payment proof area, you can see all of the payments that users have lately gotten from shrinkme.io. For example, this one made $15, this one was approximately $34, this one earned $169, and this one received a cash out of about $102. When you hit the $5 minimum payout threshold, you may request your first cash out and start enjoying your money. It takes up to 24 hours on average to get your cash on shrinkme.io, which is terrific because it means you won't have to wait days or weeks for your money. If you are enjoying the video so far, be sure to give us a thumbs up and like the video. Also, down in the comment section, tell me what country you're from so I can do even more videos on how to make money online that will work for you and your area. Once you've created an account on that website, you may copy any link, shorten it using our link shortening tool, and spread your shortened links everywhere you want on the internet. If you're living in Greenland, Canada, or the United States, for example, or any other top-tier nation, every time someone clicks on your shortened link, you'll get paid between $22 and $30 per click. In just a few seconds, I'll teach you how to apply a simple Google method to locate target nations and areas with the best payment rates, so that you may easily make hundreds of dollars every day by utilizing this strategy. But before we continue with the video, thank you for making it this far. What are your thoughts about the video? Are you getting more excited to earn money online? Let us know. We love to hear from you. Please leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give this video a big thumbs up. Now back to the video. So to begin generating money with this strategy, I'd like you to join up for a free account on shrinkme.io. Simply go to the main page and select register, which is located on the upper right corner. And on the following page, show you're not a robot by entering your username, password, and solving the CAPTCHA down below. You can also join up with a single click using your Google account. Log into your account and select a new shortened link in the upper left corner. But before you paste the URL you want to shorten and make money with it, take note of what I want you to do first. I'd like you to go to youtube.com. After that, you may now choose whatever video you like. However, I would encourage you to select viral videos from popular genres, such as workouts for weight loss and healthy body, because there will always be a large number of individuals interested in learning how to lose weight and get in shape for summer. And if you use this strategy, you'll reap the advantages. Simply search for effective weight loss workouts, then filter by view count and publishing date to ensure your video is the latest, ensuring that you don't give your consumers any out-of-date information. Copy the video's URL, enter it into your shrink.io account, then click shorten to start earning money with your link. Now let me teach you how to leverage a simple Google technique to generate possibly hundreds of dollars per day with your shortened URL. Of course, you may look for popular queries on sites like Reddit or Quora. There, you may browse for information relating to your topic and share your link with tens of thousands of others in the comment section. However, if you want to ramp up and generate even more money with that strategy, I propose going to google.com and targeting people from countries with a very high payment rate on shrinkme.io, such as Ireland, the United Kingdom, or the United States. Go to Google and look for any viral-related forums. Then go to as many weight loss or fitness forums as you like and sign up. For instance, take a look at this one, that one, or this one right here. Then with a few clicks, reply to as many topics as you can to boost your chances of connecting with even more people. Also, keep in mind that the more people who notice your link and click on it, the more money you'll make using this strategy. So eventually, how much you earn is solely dependent on your commitment, dedication, and work ethics. Furthermore, I recommend sharing your shortened URL on as many social media networks as possible. You may post your URL on social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and even YouTube. As a result, there are a wide range of platforms where you may reach and connect with millions upon millions of individuals that are willing to click on your link. And that's it. If this video helped you a lot, we appreciate you finishing it until the end. Make sure that you like and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to ring the notification bell so you will always be updated on any videos that we will be uploading. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave any comments down below. Bye!